Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Carbquik Keto chocolate chip muffins. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 2 cups of Carbquik or some flour like the Carbquik. Then you're going to need 2/3 cup of heavy cream or half and half, whatever you prefer. 1/3 cup of granulated sweetener. I am using the Monkfruit. That's what I like the best. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 egg, and then 3/4 cup of either blueberries if you want to make blueberry muffins, or sugar-free chocolate chips if you want to make the chocolate chip muffins like I am. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, first you want to preheat the oven to 400 and then spray a muffin tin with 12 cavities generously with cooking spray and set it to the side. Alright, next in a large bowl we're going to mix all of our ingredients except for our chocolate chips in a large bowl until it's nice and combined. I'm just going to use a spatula. Alright, that is nice and combined to me. So next I'm going to fold in my chocolate chips. Alright, that looks great. So next we want to just divide our batter evenly into our prepared muffin tin. And this batter, I'm not sure if you can tell, but it is really thick. Alright, those look pretty good to me. I just used a cookie scoop, scoop mine into the tin, and then I just kind of smushed it down with my fingers just to make sure they're even. So get these into the oven for 15 to 18. My muffins come out of the oven and cold, and I just took a knife around the edges and removed them from the oven. And now we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Taste.
Okay. For Mama.
You like it? All right, everyone, come back again. Get to like and subscribe.
I'm gonna like subscribe.
Bye.